Hey guys, it's Liz here with another video for you. I'm excited to announce that I just got invited to be a Sparkle Infuser, which is the ambassador program for a new small company called Sparkle Infusion. I really liked their story. The owner or the creator of this new company, just a very artistic, creative person that wanted some more options. So all of her colors are really unique, and she is a small business. So if you choose to buy from her, you can know that you are supporting a small business, and I really enjoy that. I do have a code for you, so I will link that in the description. And if you are interested, you can get 20% off of your purchase. She also offers $25 and above free shipping. So for me, that is like so easy to spend $25 on dips. So she sent me some samples. So I'm excited to try those out for you tonight. And so you can see a little bit of what she offers. She's just getting started, so she doesn't have too many colors, but she has some amazing Halloween colors. So I'm definitely gonna be having to get those. And I will also do a little video for you once I get those. So I'm all prepped and ready to go. I've put alcohol on my hands and made sure that I didn't have any natural oils all over my hands, and I put my hair back. This is what a tired mama looks like after a long day, and this is the only time that I really have to do my nails. So this is usually what it's like for me. But the two colors that she sent to me, I got her to send me some fall colors because I need some more fall colors, and these are just beautiful. This is a glitter, and this one is it's called Falling in Love, and this one is Cinnamon Bun, and it's kind of I think a reddish brown color. I guess we will see exactly. And since they're samples, I'm going to put them in some cups and either pour them over or just dip my finger in flat. All right, so we're going to dump these out and see what they look like. That poured out so beautifully. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. There's a bit of a sparkle in there, but it's not too sparkly, but it looks gorgeous. And I got a little bit in there. Now we're gonna pour out this glitter. I don't know, I might end up doing a voiceover anyway, because I just suck at doing like live videos. I don't know how other people do live videos. I cannot think and do what I'm doing at the same time. I don't know, maybe that's just me. All right, so here is the glitter. Oh gosh, that is so pretty. And luckily, since they are a sample, I've got my little baggie for pushing down my glitters right here. So I'm gonna do glitter, and then the rest of them I'm gonna do in this cinnamon bun color. I'm thinking about doing like an ombre here, right next to the pinky, and then doing a matte here, just so I can see what this looks like as a matte color, because I think it's gonna be, I just saw it on their website, but I'm thinking that it's gonna be really pretty as a matte color. I'm using my Virgo and Gem liquids. Love these things. So I always try to make sure I have this is my lint. This is what I use for my lint-free cloth. If you didn't see my last video, it's just a tri-fold paper towel. We got these from Home Depot. So I always wipe my, just so I don't get any contamination after I dip, I will usually wipe my liquid brush in there. So, all right, here we go. And of course, this is, I'm doing my dominant hand. I've already messed up, guys. I need to build up my apex. So I got way too close to my cuticle there. All right. I'm just gonna lay it in and see how that does. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Do you see that shimmer? Oh, I love that. I don't know about you, but I love that. I love that shimmer. All right, we're gonna leave that over there for a second. I'm gonna continue on my other ones. So if you don't know about building your apex, so you're just kind of building from the middle out so that the sides don't expand. And you get this nice kind of curve to your nail instead of it being like wide and thick all over. All right. So I did go ahead and speed up the rest of this video because this video was really meant to be more about the products than it was about how I did my nails. But if you have any questions about my process, just leave me a comment and I will definitely answer those questions for you, or I can make another video that really goes into detail about my process. But I just wanted to really focus on the products here, and this color, it was such a beautiful color and it was so buttery smooth. The texture is just a dream to work with. It was very thin. I ended up, I think, having to put another coat on my nails than I usually do because it was so thin. So I feel like this color would be very beginner friendly and easy, very easy to work with. So now we're going to be getting into the glitter, and this glitter I just really like. It was it's just a beautiful color. So it's made up of some fine and ultra fine iridescent glitter, and then it has some rose gold glitter that are like medium and super chunky. Some of these glitters, the rose gold glitter, seem to have kind of an iridescent look to them as well. So all together it really created a lot of depth and different sparkles, and I really like this. Those are some close-up videos for you, close-up look of all those glitters that are in there. In the actual dip, it kind of looks a little different with that clear in there. But once you take that clear off, it just looks really, it really looks beautiful. So again, I kind of sped up this process, but I did do that ombre. And this is actually the second time that I did that. The first time, because this is super chunky, you want to make sure that you do 2 coats of clear to encapsulate it. And I did not do that the first time. I did 1 coat of clear. And I learned the hard way that that was not enough, and I ended up, once I started filing and buffing it smooth, I hit some of those glitters and I really did not like the look of it. I thought maybe the pictures I could kind of hide it, but I couldn't. So I ended up, this is my second time doing this. I also learned that using this little cuticle pusher as a scoop to kind of scoop on this glitter to ombre was a lot easier than trying to use a brush to like tap it on. And some of those big glitters don't really stay on there when you're doing that, which is actually kind of nice. That way you can just kind of, after you get done with the smaller glitters and getting it on there, you can kind of just go back and place the large glitters where you want them to be. So now I'm just taking a little base on a toothpick to pick up those glitters and place them where I want them to be. I'm just doing a few of the big glitters here and there, and then I'm going to take some of the smaller glitters and kind of put them on the tip of that ombre nail just to kind of give it a little bit more interest to make it look like it's really cascading down that nail. The chunky glitters are a little bit harder to work with, so they're not as beginner friendly. But after you watch a few videos and kind of get those tips and tricks on how to work with them, they're really not that scary. This one is super chunky, but again, just as long as you put those 2 dips of clear at the end of them, it's really, that is what makes it a lot easier. So overall, I would definitely recommend these dips. They are beautiful colors. That cinnamon bun is so super easy to work with, and just as long as you remember to encapsulate that chunky glitter and 2 dips of clear at the end, you shouldn't have any problems with it. So here is some pictures of the end product. I do have some more up on my Instagram, so make sure that you are following me, and thank you again for watching.